Hi guys! We're now here at Savoy Hotel Manila. We're going to kick off our anniversary vacation here. Nabook namin itong space suite and you can book it also on Klook. Just use my code here for extra discounts. So pagpasok ng door, meron space dito for luggage. Actually, this is very spacious. So bagay na bagay yung name niya na space suite. Ito naman, meron na din ditong vault. This one is for the laundry. Tapos, meron na din cabinets. Yan, drawers. Meron na din ditong robe. Ayun. Ditong board. Tapos, this one is for the luggage. And meron din slippers. May kasama ding emergency flashlight. So, pagpasok mo, pwede kang pumunta dito sa left side, which is the CR, or dito sa living area. So, puntahan muna natin itong living area. May big mirror here to check on your OOTD before leaving. Yan. Hi! Then, here is the living area. May couch. Then, meron ditong TV. I think it has international channels as well. Meron din ditong mini ref. Actually, super okay para sa amin itong space suite kasi nasa inner part siya ng hotel, pero meron din siyang lighting here. And you can see yung ilalim niya. Dito naman sa part na to, andyan na yung coffee area. So, meron ng kettle, mugs, glass, bottled water, then coffee amenities, and coffee machine, which is from CBTL. And we'll have coffee tomorrow. Meron din enough space dito for your things. Pwede yung luggage if medyo maliit. And then, may drawer ulit sila dito. Actually, very spacious tong lugar na to. On this side naman, meron ditong desk area with lamp, telephone, and drawer ulit. And chair. Dito sa room, meron ding 2 doors. Pwede kang pumunta doon sa left side or dito sa right side. Let's go on the right side. Ito na yung bedroom. Malaki, super laki na, very good for us na. Siyempre, bago ang flight namin papuntang Japan, masarap na magstay na dito sa malaking area. Meron ding TV dito sa bedroom. Then, let's check the bathroom. Accessible siya doon sa harap, from the living area, and then here, dito sa bedroom. Very spacious din siya. Malaki yung bathroom. Ito yung toilet, may towels, and then meron ditong bath mat. Laki ng mirror, hello! Tapos ito yung amenities. Ito din yung shower area nila. May kasama body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. Tapos yan, meron na kayong access going out. Doon tayo, babalik tayo dito sa part na to. And sa door. Hahanapan kami, kanina pa kami umiikot. Yan. Happy anniversary! Ilang years na tayo?
5 years.
5! 60 months. 60 months. Mansari ulit. Yay! Happy anniversary! Uy, sakto tong nasa TV, oh. Pero, Mount Fuji nga lang. Hindi tayo ngayon sa Tokyo. Saan ba tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta, lab? Fukuoka! Hi! Nandito kami ngayon sa Tokyo and we're gonna eat here for our lunch and dinner na. Hi guys! I also got this package from GCash. So, just in time before our trip. Naglalakad-lakad kami ngayon dito sa may Newport and maraming restaurants na malapit dun sa Savoy Hotel. Meron din kami dito nakitang food truck. Ayan. So, Indian dish naman siya.
Kuha ako ng isang chicken 65. Pwede po i-card. Yun lang po pwede. Chicken 65. Biryani ng biryanis. Subukan natin. Try natin kung anong lasa niya. So, meron tayong chutney dito. At saka, posible na raita to or yung yogurt nila. Open muna natin. Okay. Raita, may onting anghang. Okay, chili. Medyo maanghang yung chutney nila ng onte.
Ano yung raita ka?
Okay lang.
Legit?
Okay lang. Yan, 7. Bigyan natin 7 yan. 7. 7.
Right na pala.
5. Chicken lang. Malambot. Malambot siya. Move on tayo sa
Rice.
sa rice. Rice down, stand alone, walang raita. Very flavorful. Okay siya.
Hi, so we're now here at NAIA Terminal 3. Mag-check-in na kami going to Fukuoka. Nagbayad na din kami ng travel tax worth 1,620 per person. So, better to accomplish it before lining up for the check-in. Yan, nag-take off na kami going to Fukuoka. So, we're having the flight 5J922. See you! Hi guys! We're now here in Fukuoka. Yes! First time namin ngayon. So, i-explore lang namin and i-enjoy yung lugar. So, medyo maluwag yung itinerary namin for this time. We'll share with you our itinerary after namin matapos yung trip. So, stay tuned and enjoy! Wow! So happy to be back again! Ito na yung Fukuoka Airport. So, from here, meron ditong Tourist Information Center and then dun sa side na yon, meron akong kinuha na ng commemorative stamp na dun siya. On this side, meron ding exchange, foreign currency exchange. Pero I suggest mas mura dito sa 7-Eleven na bank. Nag-check ako kanina ng GoTime or GCash card. Mas mura yung sa GCash. So, if you're going to withdraw, better to get and use GCash card. Yan, sasakyan namin palipat ng domestic airport. Nandun yung subway station. Yan, so mag-train tayo, na? Subway tayo. This is our first meal here in Fukuoka. This is chashu ramen with wonton. Yan. Pagod na? Okay pa?